Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make my healthy breakfast casserole, which is super easy. It all comes together in just like a few steps and then you put it in the oven. There's no pre-cooking anything and there's very little cleanup because everything just cooks in the casserole dish. And it uses all fresh ingredients. We're not using hash browns or tater tots or anything frozen. We're roasting our own potatoes, which sounds like work, but I promise it's not. It's super easy and it tastes really good. We are adding some smoked deli turkey. We're chopping up that into small pieces, which gives this so much flavor. And like I said, it's super easy to make. Let me teach you. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees, then go grab a casserole dish just like this one, a 9x13, and spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. Now let's handle those potatoes. You want to wash them well and then cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Once they're all cut up, add them to the baking dish. Now add your butter to a large bowl and microwave it for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's just about fully melted. Add the smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and then mix it well. This is going to give our potatoes so much flavor. Now pour the seasoned butter over the potatoes and mix well until they're all evenly coated. Then spread the potatoes evenly across the bottom of the baking dish. Now pop those in the oven for 20 minutes, stirring once halfway through. While the potatoes roast, grab that same bowl you used for the butter to make the egg mixture. Crack in your eggs and add some milk, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Whisk until everything is combined well. Now chop up some fresh spinach, red onions, and smoked deli turkey into small pieces. These are going to add so much flavor to the casserole. They're also going to add lots of extra nutrients and protein. You could really use any kind of deli meat here, so if you happen to like ham instead of turkey, go ahead and use that. I personally love using a smoked deli turkey just because I feel like the smokiness gives it that much more flavor. Once the potatoes are done, let's take them out of the oven and turn the heat down to 350 degrees. The potatoes should be soft when poked with a fork. Now let's put the rest together. Start by sprinkling some cheese over the potatoes. Next, we're going to layer on the turkey, spinach, and red onion. Now we're going to gently mix everything so that it's evenly distributed. Then spread it all out evenly again and pour the egg mixture on top. I forgot to get a video of this step, but here's a picture of what it should look like. And just a little tip, pour it slowly so that it'll distribute more evenly. Now add some more cheese to the top if you want and pop it back in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is firm and a toothpick comes out clean when poked in the middle. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then serve it with some fresh salsa or a little sour cream and enjoy. The link to the recipe will be in the description. Don't forget to like this and subscribe for more of our delicious family recipes.